Today we are going to solve the third problem in exercise 6.4. In the figure, ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersects BC at O, show that area of triangle ABC by area of DBC is equal to AO by DO. The figure is given here. It is said that AD is bisecting BC at O, and we have to prove this area of this triangle ABC by area of DBC is equal to AO by DO. Let us write what is given in the question. Given triangle ABC and triangle DBC lie on the same base BC, AD intersects BC at O. To prove area of ABC by area of DBC is equal to AO by DO. For this we are going to construct. The construction is we are drawing AM perpendicular to BC and DN perpendicular to BC. So now let us go to the proof. Now we are going to consider this triangle AOM and DON. These two triangles. When we take these two triangles, we know these are vertically opposite angles. Angle AOM and DON are vertically opposite angles. And here AMO and DNO are each 90 degree because they are perpendiculars. So these two angles are equal. So we say by AA similarity, triangle AOM is similar to triangle DON. Now we know that when two triangles are similar, the ratio of the corresponding sides of the similar triangles are equal. So AM by DN is equal to AO by DO. Ratio of the corresponding sides of the similar triangles. So let us take this as first equation. Now let us find what is the area of this. Area of ABC by area of DBC. This is what we have to prove it. So now we know it is half into base into height. So when I take area of ABC, it is half into BC into AM. Same way it is here, it is half into BC into DN. The DN is the altitude. So here area of ABC by area of DBC is equal to half into BC into AM by half into BC into DN. Half and BC here both gets cancelled. The left out is AM by DN. But we know AM by DN is equal to AO by DO from this first equation. So let us write area of ABC by area of DBC is equal to AO by DO. This is what we have to prove. Now the next question is fourth one. If the areas of similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. So we have to consider two triangles now. Given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DF. We are just considering two triangles. That is, areas of similar triangles is given. So let us consider ABC and DF as two triangles which are similar. Now we have to prove areas of similar triangles are equal. So now area of ABC is equal to area of DEF. It is given. We have to prove they are congruent. So to prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Proof, we have taken two triangles, one is ABC and one is DEF. Area of ABC by area of DEF is equal to AB by DE the whole square equal to BC by EF the whole square equal to CA by DF the whole square. By area of similar triangles theorem, we know this is equal to this. Now, since area of ABC is equal to area of DEF, it is given in the question. So area of ABC by area of DEF will be equal to 1 because this is equal to this. So now AB square by DE square is equal to BC by EF. BC square by EF square is equal to CA square by DF square is equal to 1 because this is all equal to area of ABC by area of DEF. So this is equal to 1. Now cross multiplying we get everything we are going to equate to 1. AB square by DE square is equal to 1 and this is equal to 1 and this is equal to 1. So we get AB square is equal to DE square, which implies AB is equal to DE. Next one we get BC square is equal to EF square, which implies BC is equal to EF. The next we get CA square is equal to DF square, which implies CA is equal to DF. Now all the sides are equal now. So by SS's congruence, we say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. The next question is D, E and F are respectively the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC. Find the ratio of the areas of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. So now let us, this is the figure. D, E and F are the midpoints of this AB, BC and CA. So given D, E and F are the midpoints of AB, BC and CA respectively, we have to find area of triangle DEF is to area of triangle ABC. That is the ratio we have to find. So now solution. Since D, E and F are the midpoints of AB, BC and CA respectively, we know by midpoint theorem we know that DE is equal to half of AC, EF is equal to half of AB and DF is equal to half of BC. Because the midpoint theorem states that the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and is half of it. So by midpoint theorem we get this result. Now DE by AC is equal to half, EF by AB is equal to half and DF by BC is equal to half. So DE by AC equal to EF by AB is equal to DF by BC is equal to half. So now we know that triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC by SS similarity because all the sides are equal now. So area of DEF by area of ABC is equal to DE by AC the whole square. So that is everything is equal to half. So 1 by 2 the whole square, that is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore the ratio of DEF, area of DEF and area of ABC is equal to 1:4. Thank you.